Hey guys, Ultimate DIY guy here, back with another video. Today we're working on a 2012 Audi S5 and we are going to be replacing the brake pads, rotors, and sensor in the front. Let's get started. This is our jacking point right here. I'm going to use a puck, a jack puck, so we don't damage anything. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Well, I tell you, anti-seize and multi-purpose grease is amazing. So break this off. Just like that. Good. Pull this out. Now we're gonna make this easier for us, and we're gonna go inside the car and turn the wheel. Okay, without starting the car, get your key fob, put it in, and we're going to spin the wheel to our left. To our right, I'm sorry.
Hey girl, I know Aunt Rita ain't talking to you, girl. Yes, you do.
Just kind of squeeze you. Pull you out. There we go, just like that. The reason why I like to clean the boot is when you push this in, you don't want brake, just rock chips and stuff eating up that boot. So hit it with some clean, wipe off any grit that's on it. What I'm going to do here is get this in here and squeeze it on back. That went back in very smooth. We need to remove this. Twist it out, just like that. And this thing is really sensitive. And it pops out just like that. And just unhook that right there. Pull you out. Grab this right here. Like so. And hang it up right there. Now, we gotta get these off. Feel like 21. There you go. Clean all that up. Alright. push it out like this. Just peel that thing back. All right. Oof. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean these up really good. Okay, now the way these pads work is on this type of brake system, they go on there like this and they slide like that. So a little bit different, but we're gonna coat it. Due to the size of these, I couldn't find an actual torque spec, but by the size of them, I'm gonna think that they probably torque down to about 80 foot-pounds. I'll do 85. Probably feels more like 90. Okay. Yep, about 90. Let's get our new pads. Comes with new clips. Okay, these are actually pretty high quality. I like the backing plate, it's rubber. Nice thick pads. Alright, and this goes in here. Make sure not to get copper, don't get any anti-seize on this right here. You want nothing on the actual pad itself because of this little ball right here. slide it in place just like that. I'm gonna hold it with my fingers. And perfection. Don't touch any of these hex bits. Don't touch them. That's enough. There we go. This tab with the nub right here goes on the inside. Pushes right down into place. Right here. And hear that snap? Make sure you hear the snap. And then there's a little nub right here that when you turn it, it'll lock it in place just like that. Put it just like that, and we're good to go. There we go. Now you're gonna pump that pedal, pump it up for me so you get nice and tight. Feel nice and tight? Alright, I'm gonna crack it, take it to the floor. You ready? There you go. Take it to the floor. That motherfucker's firm. Keep it there. Take it to the floor. I mean, let it up. Now pump it. Nice and firm. Good money. We are done on this side. Hold on. Take it to the other side and then we done. Remember, this car takes .4. Just top it back off once you're done.